Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Yeah, man. Flex Jamaican cuisine. Yeah. So today I'm cooking some curry, cow tripe. Yeah, man, with lots of beans and vegetables. Yeah, man. As you can see, guys, that is it. Amazing, you know. Amazing. And it's a very authentic Jamaican meal. Yes, may I say? Yeah, man, that is it. So, up in Texas, yeah, man, deal with it like we're in Jamaica. May I say? Yeah, man, just stay tuned to my YouTube channel, guys, and please continue to support. Yeah, man, Flex Jamaican cuisine. Just like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, really appreciate you guys. Yeah, man, big things in store. You know what I say? Yeah, man, just stay tuned and keep supporting my channel and just watch what I go on. You see what I say? Yeah, man, that is it. This is gonna be very delicious, guys. So here we have some white rice. Yeah, man. Over here we have some cassava. You know what I say? Yeah, man. So it's big things are going on. So I say, yeah, man, for real. That is it, you know. Yeah, man. Cooking for my African friends, you know what I say? Yeah, man, big up. Enough respect, guys. Really appreciate you all. See it? Yeah, man. So, food is ready. Yeah, man, dinner is ready. So, about to eat. For real, for sure, for cheesy. Yeah, man, that is it. Yeah, man. So, the guest is in the house. And they are waiting. You know, all my African friends, they are in the house. Can't wait to taste my cooking for the first time. That is it. Big respect.